Looking for a simple, rich, and savory pork dish that hits the spot every time? Today, we're making a delicious pork kinamatisan, tender pork belly cooked in rich, fresh tomatoes. Let's get cooking. We'll start by chopping up our aromatics: sliced onions, minced garlic, a generous amount of ripe, juicy tomatoes, green chili for a gentle kick, and fresh pechay leaves. In a pan, place your pork belly. Season with a pinch of salt and ground black pepper. Sear the pork until it turns light brown and starts releasing its own rich oil. Move the pork to one side of the pan. In that rendered pork oil, sauté your onions and garlic until fragrant. Add the tomatoes and sauté them together, pressing down lightly to release their juices. Now, combine the pork with the veggies, pour in oyster sauce, and mix well to coat every piece. Toss in your green chili for extra aroma, then pour in water. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the pork is tender and the tomato broth turns rich and flavorful. Uncover, taste your broth, and adjust as needed. Sprinkle in some seasoning granules and mix well. Lay your fresh pechay on top, cover with the lid, and let it cook for just 1 to 2 minutes so the leaves stay vibrant and crisp. Give it one last mix and our pork kinamatisan is ready to serve. Best enjoyed hot with a big mound of steamed white rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy home-cooked meals. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Happy cooking!